Aloha there. Today, we really get to take a look at what you put in your body with the Body Products Checklist. And I have some cleansing practices for you. Today, you have your first coffee enema this morning, and then intermittent fasting tonight, and you have your first salt and soda detox bath. During the Serious Cleanse Challenge, you have 8 different types of meditations and breathing practices. Now, doing these internal practices are really essential for cleansing the subtle body, including the mind. These truly help to calm mental and emotional agitation. And whatever level we think we have, we probably have a lot more. Now, I started you off with shorter durations of practices, just 5 or so minutes, and I've chosen very specific practices to facilitate the different phases of the course. I hope you're enjoying them and that they're creating deeper levels of peace in your being, as well as inner detoxification within you. Now, remember, you can use these practices at any time after the course as well. Now, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get new topics as soon as they're released. So, here's a couple questions. How did you like the meditation practices so far? Do you have any favorites, or is there anything that you didn't like? Why? And have you had any insights around them or during these practices? Personally, I get my best insights during meditation or showers. Okay, enjoy your lesson and see you tomorrow where you begin your second round of the Serious Cleanse Protocol Cleansing Kit. Aloha.